Bullish Monero cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $661.50 and $1,440.61 by 2030. Market investigators accept XMR could reach $661.50 by 2025. Bearish Monero market cost expectation for 2022 is $117.60. Monero presentation. Blockchain conveys a few benefits, including expedient exchanges, security, decentralization, adaptability, and secrecy. In our current reality where government reconnaissance is rising, security and information assurance become very sought-after abilities, particularly for advanced items. Tragically, trailblazer blockchain networks, as Bitcoin, make it conceivable to follow exchange trails left on the web in light of the fact that blockchains are by and large straightforward and in light of the fact that the Bitcoin network appoints unequivocally chronic numbers to altcoins available for use. Monero was made by a gathering of engineers to handle the test of protection and restriction to convey an additional layer of security to cryptographic money exchanges and advance quicker, less expensive, and safer digital currency exercises. What is Monero? Monero is a decentralized computerized resource that utilizes public conveyed record innovation combined with refined security concentrated advancements to eradicate exchange trails on its blockchain and send fungibility and undeniable level client secrecy. Exchange information, for example, wallet address adjusts and exchange chronicles, among others, are safeguarded on the Monero blockchain. Monero intends to guarantee total obscurity and protection while going through with exchanges on its blockchain. Monero positions protection and security as the main on its progressive system of vital needs, firmly followed by adaptability and decentralized effectiveness. Monero's significant drive is to safeguard all crypto clients. Monero accomplishes security through specific critical elements. These elements incorporate fungibility, which darkens shippers' and beneficiaries' subtleties on the organization, dissimilar to Bitcoin, which connects sequential recognizable proof to resources available for use. This deletion of exchange trail is fueled by ring mark innovation that ties past exchange information yield on the blockchain to imitation. What the ring mark tech does is that when exchanges are approved on the Monero organization, the authenticator of these exchanges is remembered for a bigger gathering made out of authenticators of different exchanges previously. This makes it trying to recognize which specific authenticator was liable for exchanges since the first authenticator is covered up or stirred up with a few bait. Monero keeps on expanding its ring marks to reinforce namelessness and protection. Monero additionally utilizes one-time use covertness locations to delink exchanges from each other. The security protection and decentralization of the Monero network have as of late expanded its support for unlawful exercises. States accept that its obscurity would give places of refuge to crooks, programmers, and tax criminals, and thusly keeps on endeavoring to figure out the Monero code. To advance decentralization and security, Monero utilizes Crypto Night, an agreement component in light of the evidence of work plan. The agreement ruins enormous mining rigs from getting huge power and impact inside the organization. Monero crucial investigation. While protection and blockchain secrecy offers clients gigantic security and a trustless climate, legislatures and the worldwide power structure are worried of digital currencies like Monero. This dread is on the grounds that the organization would turn into a hive for crimes. Monero, along these lines, could confront monstrous resistance as crypto guidelines strengthen. Versatility. Monero upholds quicker exchanges. Its indestructible overhaul scaled exchange throughput higher. Blockchain size on the Monero network has critical space for outstanding development without adversely affecting the organization. Exchange speed is marvelous, and the expense of exchanges is held at any rate because of the shortfall of organization blockage. Joint efforts. With more than 7 years of dynamic turn of events and systems administration, Monero is yet to make a few huge coordinated efforts as it keeps on scaling its organization. Monero needs numerous organizations because of the dread towards its protection plans reputed to draw in criminal components. That regardless, a few organizations Monero has struck in the past incorporate Task Coral Reef. This venture saw Monero team up with music craftsmen to acknowledge cryptographic forms of money as method for installment on their computerized stores. Monero has likewise collaborated with trades, for example, Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Worldwide, HODL, Kraken, and Bitfinex. In 2019, Fortnite acknowledged the Monero coin for the purpose of installment for a brief time. Fortnite brought down its Monero installment entryway very quickly after authorities expressed that the expansion was a mishap. Different associations cooperated with Monero incorporate Tari Labs, Sima's fork organization, which gives the server to Advancement, Macintosh Arena, suppliers or small Macintosh for improvement of Macintosh-related projects, Dome 9 Security, Fly Cerebrums, Kitware, Forked, and Globy. Monero current cost. Monero is presently worth $147 USD. XMR has moved 1.23% as of now with an exchanging volume of $66,009,958. Monero is presently positioned 27 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,674,549,949 USD. Monero Value Forecast 2022. Monero, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The XMR cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $220.54. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $205.84 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. XMR is supposed to have a base worth of $176.44. Monero Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Monero XMR cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XMR will before long outperform $367.57. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the XMR's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XMR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $294.06 and a typical exchanging cost of $323.46. Monero Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $514.60 and XMR might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. XMR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $470.49 and a low of $441.09 in 2024. Monero Value Forecast 2025. Assuming Monero effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the XMR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XMR will be green in 2025. The XMR is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $661.63, with a base cost of $588.12 and a typical cost of $617.52. Monero Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the XMR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $764.55 by 2026, with a base cost of $735.15 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XMR has a most extreme value worth of $808.66. Monero Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $91158. In the event that XMR figures out